and sit down.
Dell's XPS 13 has remained our favorite consumer laptop for the past few years, thanks to its beautiful nearly borderless display, lightweight and sleek aesthetic. Now, after multiple generations of sticking with the same chassis, Dell's premium flagship has a new design with slimmer dimensions and a beautiful white and gold color scheme. In other improvements, the XPS 13 $9,370, $999 to start, $1,249, $2,499 as tested, also offers an optional 4K display, a better webcam, support for XPS and a cooling system that promises stronger sustained performance. However, to make its laptop thinner, Dell switched to a smaller battery and got rid of USB Type-A ports. As a result, some users will prefer the older XPS 13 $9,360, which is still for sale and is powered by the same Intel 8th Gen Core CPUs. Design. If you put the last few generations of the XPS 13 in a lineup, you would not be able to tell them apart, unless you looked at the CPU sticker on the deck. However, the XPS 13 $9,370 stands out with its new, optional gold and white color scheme, along with a slightly slimmer and lighter profile. Dell also sells the 9370 in the XPS 13's traditional silver and black aesthetic. Though it costs a little bit more, $50 extra on the base model, you'll definitely want to get the white color, because it's just plain stunning. The lid and bottom are made from gold-colored aluminum, while the white sides and deck are fashioned from woven crystalline silica fiber. The deck's weave-like texture adds an air of sophistication and felt good against our wrists, though not quite as comfy as the soft-touch carbon fiber deck on older XPS 13s and on the silver model. No matter which color you choose, the XPS 13 is a little bit slimmer and lighter than its predecessor. The XPS 13 $9,370 weighs just 2.65 pounds and is a mere 0.46 inches thick at its thickest point, 0.3 inches at its thinnest. The last generation XPS 13 $9,360 weighs 0.13 pounds more and is 0.14 inches thicker. HP's Spectre 13 is even svelter, weighing 2.4 pounds and measuring 0.41 inches thick. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon tips the scales at 2.49 pounds, but is 0.6 inches.